It's D. Do you want to see how I make money daily with various apps I use on my phone and do easy tasks? I know you do. Stay tuned. Alrighty, y'all. So it's that time of month again where I share how much money I make with apps and all the income that I consider side income. Before I get into this video, I did want to say that your girl has a new job. In late July, I did start a new job. It is in my field, which is in accounting, and it is a part-time position. So it will be giving me a little bit more money. And one of the most exciting things about it is I will no longer have to work weekends. So as long as I remember, I had to work weekends, and this was to help me get my debt paid off sooner. I have been trying to get all my debt paid off since 2018, and I am currently working on my mortgage. That is my last debt, and I will be going over some updates on my mortgage payoff progress coming up next week, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But I did do a live going into more detail about my new job. So yeah, y'all, there will be some budget changes, and let's get into sources that I consider side income. Currently are the comes from Amazon, different apps that I use, my Buy Me a Coffee shop, my Etsy shop, and the money I make here on YouTube. So this is the budgeting planner that I use that is available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop to budget out my side income. Like I said in the intro, I make money daily on these apps, and my goal is to cash out at least once a month for pretty much all the apps that I use. So if you're not familiar with the apps that I use, I do have a playlist called Low Income Budgeting, and I share every month how much I make with the apps. I will have the playlist also linked at the end of this video. So yeah, y'all, let's get into it. For Amazon, I was able to bring in some money from my book sales and for my affiliate links. If you ever click a link down below and you make a purchase, I can possibly get a small commission, and I was able to get that money in the month of August. So thank you everybody who has ever made a purchase after clicking my link, and thank you so much for your continued support of my Amazon book. I was able to bring in a total of $15.97 with Amazon. So thank y'all so much. And I will also be going over in this video my top 3 paying apps in the month of August, and I will be inserting pictures proving and showing you the amount of money that I actually made for apps. And this is just the cash. This does not include the gift cards. I will go over the total amount I made for the month with cash and gift cards at the end of this video. So with cash, I was able to earn a total, y'all ready, $103.33. Whew, this was another great month. The #1 paying app for the month was Surveys on the Go. That is the GOAT, y'all. I did have a total of 2 product reviews within that month that I was able to get funds from, and I got a total of $37.45 just from Surveys on a Go. They do not have a referral code, but it is available in your app store. My second biggest paying app was Ibotta, and I will insert a picture. I made a total of $20.22, and this is money that accumulated over the last several months. And I want to say thank you to Diane, who actually signed up with Ibotta, and her referral money that I got from that actually helped me reach the cash out limit, which is currently $20. With my apps, I always cash out with PayPal. I have one that Zells me the money, and if they don't have the cash version, I always use the Amazon gift cards. the third biggest paying app was My Points. So I will insert a picture again. I made a total of $20 with My Points. Now with My Points, I usually only cash out once, but I was able to cash out twice. I will have the referral links for Ibotta and My Points in the pinned comment after this video. For My Points, in order for you and me to get extra points, you have to copy the full entire link to get those referral points. But y'all, $103.33. Don't sleep on these apps. I will tell you the apps that I was able to also earn money with, and it was Coin Out, another app that I am currently testing out. And if everything goes smoothly for over the next several months, I will tell y'all about it. I don't just go out here and tell you to sign up for things without testing out in advance. So that app paid me quite a bit of money in August, and I'm very, very appreciative of that. So y'all, next I will be going over what I was able to make from my Buy Me a Coffee shop, $6.65. So I want to thank everybody who went out there and supported my digital products I have available on Buy Me a Coffee. I also do have physical products and services available on Etsy. Etsy is still doing what Etsy does, and I have not made any money from there. I think probably like two to 3 months in a row, but it is what it is. And I was not able to get anything from YouTube. So let's add up how much I was able to make for my side income. It was $15.97 plus 103.33 plus 6.65. Y'all, $125.95. Woo! Y'all, don't sleep on these apps. Like I said, I make money every single day on these apps. I cash in usually once I reach the threshold for each individual app, or I wait till the end of the month. Like with Surveys on the Go, I usually wait till the end of the month and I cash out then. So now we're going to budget out this money that I made from my side income. And in this section, I will be going over my bills and expenses. So for extra principal mortgage payment, I will be putting a total of $20 towards that. I am trying to build up my credit on my utility account. So I'll be putting a total of $20.66 towards that. My buffer will be getting a total of 67 cents. And I'll be allocating a total of $20 towards my savings challenges. And this section equals a total of $61.33. So I'm going to take that from my amount that I actually received, which is $125.95. And I have a total of $64.62 to budget. The next section I will be going over will be my special funds. And I did go out there and change my car repairs, and I changed that to vehicle essentials, using that to take care of everything related to my vehicles in name of my special fund, i.e. sinking fund. So it's D, and this is my savings account that I have for my It's D brand. And it will be getting all of the money that I made from Amazon and my Buy Me a Coffee shop. And that is a total of $22.62. And my Treat Yourself account will be getting a total of $5. Renovation will be getting a total of $2. And I'm trying to put money towards all of my special funds as much as I can. I wasn't able to put anything towards household because that is not a top priority right now. And I was able to put $10 towards my vehicles essentials fund. I am saving up for a huge repair that I have coming up, probably the first part of next year, on one of my vehicles. Gifts will be getting a total of $5. PTO is not a priority. It will not be getting anything. Medical, I will be adding $2 to that. Vacation, I will be adding $5 to that. And estimated taxes will be getting a total of $2. So I allocated the funds the way I needed it for this month. Every month changes. It depends on what the priority is. So let's see what this equals up to. And that equals up to $53.62. I'm going to subtract that from what I had left over, which is $64.62. And that leaves me a total of $11 to budget. And probably one of my favorite sections on my budget is investing. So I have been able to start back investing, and that was due to some budget changes that I made prior to me getting the part-time job. But with me getting the part-time job, I will be able to do a little bit more investing and saving, and I'm so excited for that. And of course, I will be able to put a little bit more towards my mortgage payoff journey. Okay, so for my brokerage account, I will be allocating a total of $9 towards that, and I will start investing just a little bit into my Roth. So I will be putting a total of $2 towards that. I have lately just been investing in my brokerage account because I'm trying to build it up so I can use that to help me retire early. But I'm switching things up a little bit and adding just a little bit to my Roth IRA as I can. And that is a total of $11. And that it will leave me a zero-based budget. So when I say zero base, that does not mean I don't have any money. That just means that I have allocated all the funds that I received, which was a total of $125.95. Now down here is where I break it down just to double check and make sure that I did actually my calculations correct. So my income was $125.95. The bill section came up to a total of $61.33. My special funds was a total of $53.62. Super excited that I'm able to add more money to my special funds. And of course, excited about being able to invest. And that was a total of $11. So I'm going to take this $125.95 minus the $61.33 minus the $53.62 minus the $11, and yeah, that is a zero-based budget. So it was another good month, and I will probably be trying out one more app probably in September. It just depends on what I have going on, because September is my birthday month and I will be YOLOing all of September. And yeah, your girl got an Amazon cart ready to go. I'm waiting for some gift cards to post from this income right here so I can ball out on Amazon for my birthday. Happy birthday to my fellow September birthdays. I know Prez from Prez the Investor birthdays in September, Deborah from Deborah Journeys birthday in September, and Sita from Sita's Burgeoning Journey. So shout out to all of y'all Virgos in the house. Okay, y'all, so let me go over again my top 3 paying apps that I receive cash in. Number 1, surveys on the go. Number 2, Ibotta. And number 3, MyPoints. All of these apps, I do various tasks. Most of them are scanning receipts, taking surveys, just real simple tasks. I do product reviews and diaries, and nothing that takes a whole bunch of time. I probably won't have as much time as I have been in the past because of my new job, but I'm still gonna go out here and try to make this extra money, because as you see, I made $125.95 in cash. Y'all, don't sleep on these apps. I tell y'all this every month. And I want to say thank you to everybody who has been asking questions about how this works, and who has signed up using one of my referral links in the past, present, and future. y'all, it's always down in the description box. And as I stated, I will have Ibotta and my points in the pinned comment after this video post. All right, so now let's go over how much I was able to make in total. So for gift cards, I was able to get some money from Amazon Panel. They are no longer accepting people within that program. And I did try out another app, but I did not like it. I cashed out. I let go of it because it was draining my battery, and I'm not about that life. So, but I did make a little bit of money from that, but I'm not gonna go over that app because I don't recommend it. And if I don't like it, I'm not gonna tell y'all to do it. And I also was able to get some money from Shopkick. There is a referral link down below. That is a very easy app. You watch videos, scan products in different stores, and you can earn gift cards by doing those easy tasks. So for gift cards, I was able to make a total of $18.45. So with the cash and the gift cards, I was able to make a total of $122.28 in apps. Y'all, this is easy money. Easy money. Get you some. All right, so I do also like to go over my credit card rewards, and I will be using these credit card rewards to help me pay for Christmas and some late birthdays that I have within the latter end of the year. And I will insert a picture, and I currently have a total of $83.73 in credit card rewards, and I do use Capital One Quicksilver. I also have a link for that if you're interested in signing up for that. I do pay my credit card off every month, so I do not carry a balance on my credit card. And if you are not responsible with credit card, then don't even worry about signing up, because credit card debt is not where it's at. If you know, you know. I know most people don't, but y'all, hey, that's it. I want to say thank you to everybody who came to my live and who watched the replay about my new job, and I'm super excited for that. I will have the live also link at the end of this video, so if you're interested in that. That is a wrap up for my side income for the month of August. And as I always say, make the money, but don't let the money make you. And your girl trying to knock out these videos because I'm gonna be in the streets. We outside all September. Okay, y'all, birthday month. Bye.